Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library in Python used for numerical computing. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and many mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. Below is an informative tutorial that covers the basics of NumPy, along with code examples. #####NumPy tutorial. ######1. Installation. To use NumPy, you'll need to install it first. You can install NumPy using pip ######2. Importing NumPy. Once installed, you can import NumPy in your Python script. #####3. Creating arrays. NumPy provides several ways to create arrays. From a Python list. Using arrange function. Using linspace function. Creating a zeros or ones array. #####4. Array properties. You can explore the properties of arrays such as shape, size, and data type. ####5. Indexing and slicing. You can access elements of an array using indexing and slicing. ####6. Array operations. NumPy supports element-wise operations. ####7. Mathematical functions. NumPy provides various mathematical functions. ####8. Reshaping arrays. You can change the shape of an array. ####9. Saving and loading arrays. You can save and load NumPy arrays to and from files. ###conclusion. NumPy is an essential library for scientific computing in Python. It provides powerful tools for working with arrays and performing mathematical operations efficiently. This tutorial covered the basics of creating arrays, performing operations, and using various NumPy functions. For more advanced usage, you can refer to the official NumPy documentation, https://numpy.org/doc/stable. Feel free to experiment with these examples and modify them to deepen your understanding of NumPy.